Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2019 Kubota BX2380 subcompact tractor with an LA 344 quick attach loader on it. This tractor has 88 hours on it. That is a brand new 2022 quick attach, swift attach loader that we just put on last week. Tractor has a snowblower on the front of it, which we just sold yesterday. 60-inch belly mower deck, 88 hours. Tractor's bought new in May of 19, still has warranty, Powertrain warranty until 2025, May of 2025. So we'll start here under the hood. Tractor is going to be powered by a Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts, runs great, obviously. We did service it. We did a complete service so that it's done and taken care of for the customer. So it has hydrostatic, transmission, engine oil, air filter, fuel, everything's been changed. And again, this tractor is under warranty. It is a like new tractor. Anything you have to do here, make sure that you take these clippies and get those pushed back for your loader on the new style grill guard. Again, LA 344 loader was just taken out of the crate last week. It is a brand new loader. 60-inch belly mower deck, folding rocks, slow moving triangle, category 1 3-point hitch, 540 PTO, like new. You can see the whole tractor is like new. Does have the deluxe seat. Over here, we're going to have a little toolbox. Cup holder, PTO in and out, high-low range, four-wheel drive. Let me turn the dash on here for you. 88 hours. Apologize here, it was raining today and we got everything tore up from videos from skid loaders. So we're going to start the tractor up, run around, get everything it's supposed to do. It's hard to go over and over on an 88-hour tractor. It's a like new tractor, very hard to come by good BXs right now. New loader, 60-inch belly mower deck, Cat 1 3-point hitch, everything is complete. It is serviced, ready to go, turf tire package with Powertrain warranty until May of 2025. If you're looking for a good, clean tractor, here is something to take a look at. 814-658-3066. Please check our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader. And we're glad to help you with any questions you have. If you need a freight quote, please let us know. We'll be glad to get it for you. Again, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company.